What if your iPhone could run the boring parts of your business for you? I'm not talking about a slightly faster phone or a camera that takes sharper selfies. I'm talking about a phone that actually thinks with you, a phone that can save you real time and real money. The iPhone 17, powered by Apple Intelligence, isn't just a new upgrade, it's a turning point. Apple has reimagined the iPhone as something more than a device. It's becoming a personal assistant that understands context, priorities, and even your workflow. I've been testing the iPhone 17 for weeks, diving deep into its new AI-powered features, and some of them are so surprisingly useful that they've already changed how I run my business day to day. So today, I'll walk you through the 5 biggest AI features on the iPhone 17 and show you how to actually use them to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. For years, the iPhone has been an essential tool for business owners and freelancers like me. It helped me send emails, manage meetings, find clients, and keep everything running. But the truth is, I was still the one doing all the work. The phone was fast and convenient, sure, but it didn't really help me think. That's what's changing now. With the iPhone 17 and its new A19 Pro chip, Apple has introduced Apple Intelligence, a system that brings advanced AI directly onto your phone. Unlike cloud-based assistants that send your data to external servers, Apple's approach keeps everything on device, meaning your business and client information stay private, encrypted, and secure. So this isn't just another upgrade, it's the first step toward turning your iPhone into a real business partner. Let's dive into the 5 ways it's already making that happen. The proactive assistant, your smart morning partner. Let's start with something that immediately changes how you start your day. The proactive assistant. We all know that chaotic feeling when you wake up to 50 unread emails, 10 text messages, and multiple app notifications fighting for your attention. Before, your phone just dumped them all on you, but now Apple Intelligence filters and organizes everything automatically. When you pick up your phone in the morning, you'll see a personalized summary right on your lock screen. It might say, "Urgent. Client A requested a revision on their invoice." Reminder, new lead submission from your website form. Or even, "You have 3 upcoming calls this morning." The iPhone now understands context. It knows what's urgent and what can wait. It's not just sorting notifications, it's prioritizing them based on your habits and work relationships. And it all happens on your device. Nothing is being uploaded or shared. Apple's AI learns patterns locally, so your data never leaves your phone. The result? You save time, reduce mental clutter, and start every morning knowing exactly what deserves your attention first. In other words, it's not just a phone. It's your digital operations manager, a camera that understands your business. Next up, let's talk about one of the most overlooked but powerful upgrades, the AI-powered camera. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro still brings incredible hardware. The 48-megapixel main sensor, the improved ultra-wide lens, and the 5x telephoto. But the real game changer isn't the hardware, it's the intelligence behind it. Apple calls it visual intelligence, and it turns your camera into a business tool that actually understands what it's seeing. Here's an example. When I'm at a networking event, I'll snap a photo of a business card. Instantly, the iPhone recognizes the text, detects it's a contact, and offers to create a new entry in my contacts. Name, company, email, and all without typing a thing. Or when I'm researching products, I can point my camera at an item and the phone will identify it and show me where to buy it online. Even screenshots get smarter. If a client texts me an image that includes an address, I can tap it and open it straight in Maps. No copying, no pasting, no searching. It's seamless. And let's not forget the front camera. The iPhone 17's new 18-megapixel center stage camera uses AI to keep you perfectly framed during video calls. No more awkward angles or manual adjustments. Whether you're on Zoom or FaceTime, you look professional and centered every time. For creators, freelancers, and business owners, the camera is no longer just about photography. It's a data tool, an assistant, and a productivity hack all in one. Hey, if you're finding these tips useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. My whole channel is about using AI and new tech to work smarter, not harder, and I've got some deep dives coming soon that'll help you automate your workflow even more. Now, let's move on to the feature that's changing how we communicate globally. Live translation, breaking the language barrier. Feature number 3 is a huge one, live translation. This tool completely changes the game for anyone working with international clients, partners, or suppliers. Powered by Apple Intelligence, live translation allows your iPhone to translate speech and text in real time, both on calls and in person. Let's say you're on a FaceTime call with a client in Japan. The iPhone displays live captions on the screen, translating what they're saying into your language instantly. Or if you're chatting in messages with a customer overseas, the texts are automatically translated right within the conversation. The best part? You can download language packs for offline use. That means it still works when you're traveling abroad without Wi-Fi or mobile data. For in-person meetings, you can even place the iPhone between you and the other person. It listens to both sides, translates them out loud, and displays subtitles for clarity. It's smooth, accurate, and most importantly, private because the translation happens directly on your device. This single feature can open up your business to new markets and clients you might have never worked with before. It's like having a live interpreter in your pocket. The Siri we've been waiting for. Let's be real. Siri has always been the weakest part of the iPhone experience, but that changes now. With Apple Intelligence, Siri finally feels like a real assistant, not just a voice command feature. It understands context, memory, and intent. Here's what that means in action. I can now say, "Hey Siri, pull up the invoice I sent to client B last month," and Siri will search my email, Files app, and Notes to find the exact document. Or, "A customer texted me their address last week. Can you get it for me?" And Siri will know which conversation to check and display the address instantly. Siri can also summarize emails, schedule meetings, and even rewrite drafts using Apple's new AI writing tools, perfect for sending professional follow-ups or responding to clients quickly. And since it's powered by the A19 Pro's 16-core neural engine, these tasks happen lightning fast without ever sending private data to Apple's servers. This is Siri reimagined, not as a voice toy, but as a personal executive assistant that knows your business inside and out. The business brain, writing, summarizing, and smart actions. This last one might be the most underrated of all, the Apple Intelligence writing tools. They're built directly into apps like Mail, Notes, and Pages, and they can rewrite, summarize, or proofread your content with a single tap. Let's say you're writing a client email and want to sound more confident. Tap Rewrite, and I will rephrase your message in a professional tone. Or maybe you're reviewing meeting notes, tap Summarize, and it gives you a clean overview of action items and deadlines. These tools work across third-party apps too, meaning even if you're using Gmail, Slack, or Notion, Apple Intelligence can still help polish and organize your communication. And if you're multitasking, you can tell Siri something like summarize today's client emails, and it'll compile them into a short, easy-to-read report. These small efficiencies stack up fast. Over time, they don't just save minutes, they save hours every week. This is just the beginning of on-device AI, and Apple is clearly betting big on privacy-focused intelligence. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 AI features would make the biggest difference in your workday? Would you use the new Siri as your digital assistant, or are you most excited about live translation? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and subscribe for more videos on how to use AI in tech to grow your business. The iPhone 17 isn't just a phone, it's the smartest business partner you've ever owned.